I don't know Tom represent for King mix up, you know, so check out the dog YouTube page or the body thing or the money thing. I'm saying Nana guys and the whole family. Boof buff now.
Okay, boom, viewers. We're back at it again with them quick update, yeah, because Shelly and Chyna just responding to Likkle Addi, basically denying, their, paternity test was false, because, they did their own 2 times. You see me, I say, and it was proven, say, he was not the father of Chyna's son. You see me, I say. So here we're gonna listen to Chyna's initial response, and then we're gonna listen to she and Shelly go live and address that situation. Yeah, you see me? Oh, and before I forget, these are the DNA test results Shorty them obviously sent the mix-up sites to put up, and as you can see, Akil is the alleged father, and Kayla is the mother. But I don't know how this was done. If they mailed in these results, and if this was, if they mail in the results, then anybody could have taken the DNA for Akil, even though he might have did it in front of his mother. His mother might have switched DNA and mailed it in. You see me, I say, I don't know if I did see people them is in Jamaica, you know what I mean? So this looked like it was done overseas. So, like I said, this doesn't even mean ish, you feel what I'm saying? Even if you bring this to the court is going to say, well, you waste your money and you have to do it over with one of our labs, you feel me? Ah, boy. But anyway, let's take a listen to what going from one to go on.
I wonder where everybody. Why Auntie Shelly do in funny live? I don't know why the people them jump over here so. But as Mr. Merrill not give a fuck. You get me? Make me add Auntie Shelly, cause listen to me. Mama tell you this. This a girl I don't have to do or no have to do. You just have to do or no have to do. Cause at this point, me really not give a fuck. Don't come tell nobody. Cause listen to me. Remember say all when your blood clot, you see someone call my auntie phone and tell and I ask my auntie when the first DNA I do. And I come talk about say, oh, what Chyna? You call my auntie and say, oh, what Chyna there? Tell Chyna don't go with Chyna not supposed to go with mommy because your father call and someone not supposed to go with your mother. So what you mean by? What you mean which second DNA? You figure say me you fight and she take the baby out of my hand and just because I tell her say me I go stab you and whatsoever she take you and she gone at town. Remember so she left your mother take you from the yard, and left for the go town little boy. Because me you keep on a fight. Listen to me, on the door, mama talk when me don't need for talk, brother. You see, mama tell you this, my son don't need you. You get me? My son no need you. My son no need you, my son good. Akil good. Get that. You name him Akil Amir Palmer. I didn't even get the chance to name my own child, my first child. Yeah? I not even get the chance to name my first child, and you name my son, brother. Fucking all laugh. Anyways, as me I say, when you go come on internet and talk about you do 2 DNA, don't do that. Don't do that. I suffer enough. I'm not suffer no more with blood clot, you and nobody. I called your mom my mother. Yeah? My mother. I saw me did call her. Real pain me feel. You hear that? I'ma tell you that. Don't feel like say my blood clot pitney need them. My pitney no need none of you cause my son a start time come out of this a girl ya. A mother. Kayla God them come out of me. Any God not a star. You hear that? So I don't understand what you mean by. What you mean by? You know what the fucked up part about it? You're on a blood cloud, on a wicked, you fuck. And your dad know. Your father know, brother. Your father know him tell me don't go with him baby mother. I told me did fucking fool and me I said to myself, say yo, him there behind bar, him a tell me not to go with her. Him can't help me when I see there so in front of me present I do everything. We forget done so him a tell me not to go with her then what? It all look like say Ray and your baby, so me go with her. Me not have a doubt, I'm still not have a doubt. It burn you. All who are gonna feel like say, oh, me team up with Auntie Shelly. Auntie Shelly not eat none of you. And Auntie Shelly not bring down none of you. The woman just talk about mix up overall, brother. Why the fuck gonna stay so like, come on. Come on. And Tanisha, you know some never yet talk bad boy you. Me never yet bring you down. Never. And I will never ever bring you down. Me not bring you down. But me I say this cause you're wrong. You see the way you go about it, wrong. Right? We had disagreement, lie, whatsoever happen. Fuck that. You're wrong. The way you go and then look where you go come talk about say, oh what you say? The two DNA do with their son. The first DNA we do with their son, your son wasn't there. I had a big belly in front of me, and the people them take the blood out of my hand and tell me say my son blood in my hand, and them a go mix and whatsoever and make baby blood out of my blood. When somebody with sense tell me how is that possible? How is it possible for take blood out of pregnant woman and not even the socket where the baby in, you know? Take the blood out of my hand and you gonna tell me say blood clot blood. Una get me ignorant. No, listen, I'm telling you this, man. I hold it for 3 years. 3 years, I hold it for 3 years. And my son I do just fine. I just one thing burn me, yeah? One thing burn me. One. And I have to wake up every day and see my son look exactly like you and your mama. And that burn me. I don't need you. My family got me for sure. And my friend who got me for sure. I don't want nobody tell me about it. I ain't nothing. I talk how I feel. I have to cry. I have to cry, no? When I feel like a ball, my ball. When I feel like I'm weak. I'm not weak. No day, no time. I'm not weak. I'm a human. I have to cry. You know? You know how much disrespect me take a road. You know how much people say me and say things to me. And you don't know. You know. You see the second test where Tilo sent to me. God, me wish me did have it. The second test where Tilo sent to me. Shorty. Sister from father named Tilo. The second test that she sent to me, it's a grandparents DNA. It's a Tanisha Brown and Akil Brown. Tanisha na name Brown. And my son na name Brown. So all that. Explain that to me. Why the fuck? Mama tell you this. Right? On a clip. I want to stop calling my phone. I don't know how much people I talk about go code. Fuck code. You hear that? I God me say, I know. Me give you my head if me wrong. You hear that? Wanna make a man take me head if me wrong. Wanna make a man take me head if me wrong. You hear that? That's how sure I am. Wanna make a man take me head if me wrong. Man now got no court. Stop calling my phone. Stop calling my phone. I'm serious. Wanna make a man take me head if me wrong. You hear that? Don't tell me not say nothing, man. Eh? I hold it up. Look for me. And I you want it, you hear that? Every child need a father. Every child need a father. Every child want them father. And my son no deserve none of that. You hear that? So you see when you talk facts before facts come on foot. You hear that? We don't need to go in and where the people don't know about. If you don't want to do that, that's fine, you know. People don't normally see me come live and talk. You hear that? Let me tell you this. And God is not a wicked God. God not wicked. Only look upon this. When you say the baby on a phone, right? The baby did young. The baby could have grown for favor anybody else. Anybody else. Why the baby choose to favor you? My son could have favor me. Come nice. My son could have favor my mother. My son could have favor anybody in my family. Look upon we. Why you feel like so God no wicked, so God is not a wicked God? Come on. Come on. Wanna stop it fucking no man. Wanna do better no man. I never come on this come drag nobody. I not drag no no. I not say nothing bad about no. I'm still not gonna make me say nothing bad about no. I say it again because of that. I say when I'm pregnant, your father said don't go with Shorty. You hear that? And you see a man call my auntie phone that when he left out because it was. You see a man call my auntie phone and ask her what Chyna did. I'm not forget with your mother at the DNA plate that when I have my belly. You see when I fly me from foreign because me had disagreement and I told you weren't gonna see my child. I was only saying that because I was upset. I asked you, I have screenshot of it saying me. I asked him, I said, Akil, do you have doubts? You said no. You said no. Yes or no, brother. And I respect your father said way, whether or not he want to talk to me or not. And I'm not going to ever disrespect me now. I never disrespect me, you see it? But it hurt me. And me, I have to do what me, I have to do for my child. Because fool no father and fool no mother I go do. Them have to do for uno. So me, I do what me, I do for my child. You hear that? So I'm not business with nobody. I'm not want a man tell me so no say nothing. Because I'm not need you, me a star in a real life. I'm not hungry, I'm not broke. Because nothing wrong with me. I want him to know. Me say, alright. Here you say, we'll take it in court. Alright, fine, I could take it in court. Then, I see even after court, because I know my God got me. My God got me. So I guess I see even after court, wish that little boy the best. Because not even look you can look, not even you can talk you can make with the little baby boy there. I'm a thank you. I'm not thank you for nothing. I'm thank you for him said way. Thanks for that little blessing what you give me. It teach me a lot. You hear that? It teach me a lot. Being a mom teach me a lot, and thank you for that. Trust me. You just turned 18. From you're young, you're going like you're big still. You don't know you're limited. You really don't know you're limited. Yo, me take everything for joke. But listen, I got in this, you know. And then again, don't disrespect Shelly. Shelly never disrespect you. I understand your mother and whatsoever, but I say go. I'm not do that, no size up. You hear that? And Shelly now do nothing for fame or hype. Auntie Shelly help me with goodness out her heart. Good people know good people. I'm not like that. I understand say you not like that. I understand say you're upset because the media come at you. How you think me did feel? How you think me did feel when a son come on internet? I go say, roops. Me beg you, brother. Remember some make me make appointment, you know, and not show up, you know. Remember say me make appointment. You tell your sister tell her say anytime I'm ready, me for pay for DNA. You will bring your son. You make me make appointment and all know you no come. All know me can't soon. You no come. So if I say I'm me the pussy now, Make me be the pussy. Cause me did ask you. If me did beg you, one thing me beg you, me say reassure me. Me say reassure me. You say I know film, so reassure me then. You could do that. Why you could do that? Why you could reassure me? You say me this, me that. Yeah, woman too, you know. You know how much things them say about you. And when people drag you and when people say things, imagine how you feel. You're not a girl pitney, that's how you think, so. You're not a girl pitney, you're not a art man. Oh boy. I'm not go through no court with nobody. Fuck all of that. You see if this I go cost me for come on media and yo, brother, I can't keep on a blood clot love or like my son need all of that. His mother don't give him that already. I need none of that from him. My son good. You hear that? And if me I feel like a morning, my mother got him. And if me I feel like a morning, my father got him. You hear that? And if me I feel like a morning, Shorty, Kimisha got him. Enough of my friend them, I can count on them even though some of them not like me. Then got him. He don't need nobody. And you see my grandfather, remember, you know, I don't know, you know. I grew up same like how I grew up, son. Ask anybody who know me. Ask anybody upon the life who know me. Me ever have my own one, my own, never beg, never do nothing. People just eat and tell be a lie for me. And what? The lie easy for run with than the truth. I'ma see that and I'm shake me up and I'ma take that as a G. I'ma go about it. My sister said yeah, my sister said Mirage, my favorite. Well, listen to me. I'm gonna be like 5 foolish, man. If it gonna take this for me, I come back and forth with it and you go live about, oh, you don't do the other, and baby's not here. Come on, stop it. I'm gonna stop that, brother. I'm not got no court. God got me. What I'm doing? No, I don't want to no money. You know, see. Yo, brother. Me been a do it, me just not getting no. Oh, all along when me do the first something, it no bun no so. No say no. So what take place for you bun no so? Me not get it now. Oh, I bun no so this time. The first time, no say no. The second time, I bun no so. I lick no so. If I not phone, I bun no so. You know, say if a girl tell lie for me, what? My dog gonna stop calling. From nobody, me no business out.
Girl used to makeup artist. You think girl that hey, same way me look. You understand? Same way me look when people can look for me. Me not even need much makeup. Me not need no holy pass something. See here? I just a freckles alone come out. Shorty is a whole bird of paint for go on your face, my love. Now send out your son for me. Come on, come. We have streets.
Aya.
Auntie Shelly have bookings. Shelly,
I don't
Remember
know.
some have booking, you know,
Well, I
100,000 them. Yes. Yes, I remember some just start this thing there, you know. And don't say me, hey, and don't
well,
say
I
me
know.
think out a road, you know, name brand things me have in my life. I be a Gucci. I be a Gucci or Suchi. Me not even a broke a hungry love. The boy can't kick me out of nowhere. Them have to pay for GPS and everything. Me have to lie down in the AC every night. And if me take 2 more. Yes. I really like old boy.
Shelly, I just
But like them just done like football training, yes, over age, like 26, 28, 30, yes. You see that when you reach 35, them can turn of them go look somebody else. Me not go to come nobody old like a me, my love. And me not go put up myself. Eh? And what kind of belly me could I carry? Hmm? Yes, baby.
Auntie Shelly,
Yes, I hear you,
can you
baby.
hear me? All right. When me I said to somebody, Moscow girl, yeah, you don't try size up. Nobody come in and not because I don't know me from nowhere. You go on side,
China, oh yeah, do answer. I'm trying to tell you, say you need to just, you need,
No
to
man,
just
answer.
block them out. Remember, say, girl a star, me can't come out in a towel. From me say, come on light, me I can't come on light, come in a catch and nobody can run me out of my yard. Yes, yes. You say, yeah, look how long me have this yard, at which time me get run up, my love. Yes.
And I'm gonna put the full video with Shelly and I'm a Boom Bye Bye TV channel. So now go over there and subscribe from now. It's not up there no, but it will be there from now and tomorrow. Is my answer. Yeah. Hit the notification bell to be notified. You see me? Bless.